Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Talking with Cars, and today what we're going to do is review another Etenwolf product, and this is the Tire Pump S1, right? So this little tiny thing is meant to pump up your tires. It's meant to pump up different vehicles, ATVs, bikes, all that kind of good stuff, you know, and even like, you know, basketballs and footballs and all that kind of stuff, you know, for pumping them up. So this thing's pretty small, but it packs a mighty punch. So let's check it out, let's unbox it and find out a little bit more. This is Talking with Cars. All right, so they wanted me to highlight a few different things. Now, this was sent to me for free. I'm gonna review it. I'm gonna be honest no matter what. It doesn't matter. If it's not good, I'm gonna tell you it's not good, don't buy it. But if it's any indication, the other two products that they sent me were phenomenal. They were excellent. I'm thinking this is gonna be just fine. I'm a little worried that it's a little small and it doesn't really pack that punch that I'm looking for a larger tire. And we're gonna use it on an SUV. We're gonna pump it a few PSI and we're gonna see how long it takes. But a couple of the highlighted items they wanted me to bring up is that it inflates a 235/45 R18 tire from 30 to 35 in under 1 minute. We're gonna try that out. 7,800 milliamp battery, enough power to inflate up to 16 tires. So that's not bad. Compact, portable, yes it is. 1 PSI plus or minus accuracy, so that's very good. You know, I mean, we're gonna check that out with mine. It's the Astro AI that I use with my larger compressor, and we're gonna just check to see if it's close. I'm sure it is. The other ones were very close. And it can also be used as a power bank, which I thought was pretty cool. And it comes with an LED light built into it. So this little thing is pretty neat. It really is. You know, it comes with a 1-year extended warranty, or you have to register it for a 1-year warranty. So go on their website, register it, make sure that they know that you got it, and register it right away. So it's got a USB-C charging port. There's 4 modes. We're gonna open this up and check it out. So let me bring the camera in a little bit closer and let's find out a little bit more what's in this box. All right, so hopefully the lighting is good and you can kind of see everything that I'm doing. I'm gonna bring this camera down a little bit. And we're gonna open this up. And like every other Etenwolf product, they seem to package things up really nicely. You know, it's, you know, high quality boxing. A lot of information on the box, which is nice. You know, you're not trying to figure out what you're purchasing. It's not a blank box. It's got information on it. It's got the warranty information, and I'm ripping this up already. All right, so let's open that up. I'm not gonna need the box anymore. Explore beyond power within. All right, so become a member for 24 months warranty. So you can become a member and get a 2-year warranty, and if it breaks, they'll replace it, and that's the QR code. So pretty cool, and that's right at the top of the unit. So they take pride in their products. Wow, this thing is a little hefty. Well, this is pretty cool. It's actually pretty hefty. It's not light at all. I thought it was gonna be a little bit lighter, but they gotta like pack that battery power in here. So comes with instructions. I'm sure it comes in like different languages. Yes, it does. Troubleshooting, the contents of what's inside. Yeah, and a rapid guide type instruction manual. So I'm gonna read this really quickly. I'm gonna make sure that I don't miss anything and make sure that I understand the unit, and then we'll get right back to using this. So, but what else is in the box? All right, so we got the carrying case like they do with most of their products. They have a carrying case, that's cool. It's a nice one. It seems like a heavy duty vinyl. So you can kind of pack this in your car and not worry about it. It comes with the USB-A to USB-C charger cord. It comes with a couple adapters like your chuck right here. So you can pump up your tires. Yeah, pretty nice. I'm liking it so far, and that's basically it. It's the instructions, the warranty information for registration, the unit itself, and let's turn this thing on. Let's see how much of a charge it's got. Okay, it looks like it's fully charged, and we'll take off the protector. All right, that was cool. And it's set for car mode. You can see right up here. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's set for 35 PSI, and you can change the modes, I think with this one right here. Yeah, so car mode, bike mode, Play ball mode, universal. You can set it up all the way up to 160 PSI, I think. That's pretty impressive. So yeah, that's pretty nice. So 3 to 160 PSI, that's what you can go to in your manual mode, you know, so you can kind of pump up anything you want. And obviously when you're working on a bike or something with smaller tires, make sure that you're in that slower mode so it doesn't pump up the tire too fast, right? Because it knows in those different modes what those tires require, right? So on a smaller tire, you're gonna wanna pump that tire a little bit slower and get to that PSI that you require. So yeah, this thing is pretty cool. Here's the back end of it. All right, pull this out of the way. Oh, and then you got your other accessory right in there for the balls and stuff like that. So a little protector right here. And this comes off like that. Yeah, pretty cool. This is really neat. That's awesome. And there's your light right there. So let's see if we can turn that on. Blinks, SOS, and then off. Yeah, and all it is just pressing this button right here. And it's on, blinking, SOS, and off. Yeah, so pretty cool. So let's set this back to car mode. Set it to 35 PSI, and we'll drop the PSI on the car tire to 30, and we'll see, you know, how long it takes to pump that up. So we'll put the chuck on here, and this looks pretty easy to do. So yeah, it's really cool. So, and it's got a twist turn here, right? So this right here turns independently of the hose. So you don't have to like constantly turn the hose to get this thing on here. So here, I'll show you, see? I'm unwinding it and it's loose and I'm screwing it back on, right? The air chuck. And that's it, right? Done, ready to go, right out of the box. And this you could put in your glove box, no question about it, or the rear of your car, underneath your seat. Very cool. S1 tire inflator, 8 volt, 160 PSI max. It's got a phone number, email support on the back side of it. Here's the USB-C for charging right there. Very nice. I like this thing a lot, a lot. I'm not just saying that. This thing is really cool. It's got a digital readout. It's lightweight. It's form function, right? You know, like fits in your hand. It's not going to slip out of your hand. So let's go to the car right now and then try it out. All right, so this car in particular has to be at 38 PSI. So I'm going to pump it up to 40. So we want to see that 5 PSI differential. So we'll go from 35 to 40 PSI and see how long it takes. Let's find out where it's, and it's got an automatic shut off. I didn't shut it off. So you can save the battery, which makes sense. We're at 33.2. So we said we wanted to go from 35 to 40. So we're almost there. So we'll set it to 35. All right. It's at 35, and we're going to bump this up to, it's actually at 35.1. So that's not bad, but we're going to go to 40 and see how long it takes. And this is a bigger tire. This is a 275/50/20, so we're gonna give it a little fair shake here. I'm not gonna be too critical about it. So 35.1 to 40 PSI. 1 minute. Two. I'm at 38.9. Just a hair over 3 minutes, 3 minutes and like 10 seconds. So we're gonna call it 3 minutes because this is a much larger tire. So we're at 40 PSI. Now we're gonna double check the accuracy by bringing my other device here and checking it out and see how close it is. All right, and I got the quick connect chuck on here. That video is coming out soon. I'm at 38.5. So it's like off by 1.5 PSI. you know, and this has a level of accuracy too. So if you really think about it, this could be off slightly. So 38.4, not bad. So, I mean, if you had to, I would just, I mean, in an emergency situation or trying to get something inflated, this little thing is pretty accurate. It's off by 1 PSI, that's what they said. So, and I think that's pretty accurate. All right, so conclusions. What do I think about this little S1 unit? I think it's pretty cool. I think this tire inflator comes in really handy. I pumped all 4 tires. It took all the power out of this thing. They're larger tires, larger SUV, so I don't expect anything more. I mean, to be quite honest, this thing actually does a really good job. For the size that it is, for the portability that it is, quality is excellent. The options are good. I'm charging it right now. I'm gonna see kind of in real life how well this thing works. Pump some other friends' tires and see how it kind of like, how it lasts. You know, I'm really curious about the battery power, you know, but in an emergency situation, I think this thing comes in handy. You know, you put it in the back of your car, you need to pump up 1 tire, that's typically what you need, and it'll get you out of a pinch, no question about it. If you want something a little bit larger, I've done a review before on some of their other units. I'll put those links at the end of this video and you could check them out. But Etenwolf is a stand-up company, no question about it. They've always backed their products. You know, I've had no issues whatsoever for the other 2 products that they sent, and the quality is excellent. I mean, this is a really cool little unit. So this particular unit goes for $39.99, and I know that they have larger units in stock. If you wanted something a little bit bigger, you know, they have, you know, ones that are actually like a combination blower, pump, you know, all that kind of stuff. And that one, there's one called the Vortex S6, and that one goes for $104.47 on Amazon. And I'll put the link for all of these down below. Comes in different colors, different options. You know, they have one that's a little bit smaller than that one. Let's see how much that sells for now. $69.99, and that's the S3, the Zephyr. So that's a pretty cool unit also. I really like that one. I enjoy using it. You know, it comes in really handy. For the larger SUV, that's what I would recommend, no question about it. But this one, I mean, for the price, I mean, it's phenomenal. I mean, you can't beat it for $39.99. Go on Amazon. I'll put the links down below. You can get it for a pretty decent deal. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.